Well, this is a turn up for the books. I'm back in the workshop. Well, my new workshop. Things are very, very different, as you can see. Got my bandsaw, I've got my bench, which has got my vise on it, which I rely on. But there's a lot going on here, which is very, very different. For the very first time, I'm actually recording multi-camera into 3 cameras, because there's one over here, which is looking at my bench, which is amazing because I don't have to run around changing the cameras all the time and zooming in and zooming out, although I probably will anyway. But this is a big change for the channel, because I can literally come in here, press one button on my system over here, and I get 3 camera record, which hopefully will make things a lot more straightforward. So, to cut a long story short, the workshop is almost set up. If I turn the cameras around and point to the other side of the room, you would be horrified, as am I, because I'm actually standing here looking at it. But I'm getting there. As you can see, I'm pretty much ready to start working on a guitar, hopefully finishing the Stratocaster, which has probably been in the making now for about a year. The other thing that's different is I've got a little microphone here, which I tried once before, but it was a disaster. But this one, this Hollywood, whatever it's called, the microphone is incredible. It's very, very tiny, it's fast, it lasts for ages, and I've got high hopes for it. But with 3 camera records all at the same time onto one disc, my editing life has become a lot more straightforward. It's a bit like working in a television studio, a proper television studio, where you've got multiple cameras and you're not constantly running around trying to sort things out. And I can just go from camera to camera, that camera, to 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 that camera. That caught you out. I have great hope that this is the beginning of something new, something special, and something repeatable. There's a lot of finessing. I haven't got my lights up yet. So when I get this done finally, I'm going to have some proper video lights set up on the ceiling and at the side to give it some mood and what have you. I might even add a 4th camera if I can scrape one together. But I need to get some revenue first. So please subscribe. Which is the big mantra, which we all do, but it makes such a difference because all the money I make from the channel goes straight back into the channel. I'm not, sounds like I was going to throw it into the English channel. No, goes back into the YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, and it makes a huge difference because it's the resources that I put back into the equipment. I make nothing from this apart from sleeping well at night because I enjoy it so much, and it's very rewarding in that respect, and it's very nice to know that you're all out there building. Finally, just wanted to say I am back. I'm going to be starting to work on some content very soon. So I'm looking forward to, at the very least, finishing the Stratocaster, which has been hanging over me like the sword of Damocles. I should superimpose a Stratocaster hanging. No, I probably won't do that. So this is the new setup, and I hope I can work more quickly, work more efficiently, get more done, and create more content, which will create more revenue, hopefully, so that I can buy better equipment and put more cameras up and do it even better. Look out for yourselves this winter. There's lots of bugs around as usual. Keep well, keep safe, and keep building. And I look forward to seeing you all very soon.